Hi yogis, I'm Arthur. I am a yoga teacher and a Sonic Yoga alumni, and I'm going to be showing you how I get into pigeon pose, or Rajakapotasana in Sanskrit. So I'll meet you on the mat. We're going to be using the right side of our bodies, and we're going to start in downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, simply draw the right knee into the chest, sending the shoulders over the wrist. And then on the exhale, let's go ahead and extend the right ankle out towards the left side of the mat. There's a possibility to add a little flex here and then drop both right and left knee down to the ground. So this right here is your pigeon pose, but if you want to take it a little further, you can come onto the tops of the left foot and then slide the left foot back until you get the right hip a little closer to the ground. Once you have that connection, go ahead and take the fingers by your sides and then puff up your chest, emulating those pigeons as we inhale. And then there's an option to bring the chest down over the thigh, maybe even the forehead to the mat. You can make a choice here to keep the arms by your sides, or maybe even do my favorite, which is make a small little pillow with the hands, dropping one ear down, and then just focusing on the breath. And I'll go ahead and show you on the left side just so you have all of it in your system. And you know, you always want to make sure we hit both the left and right side. Good. So again, the left knee just comes into the chest, shoulders over the wrist. And then we're going to extend that foot out to the left side of the mat, dropping both the left and the right knee. Sliding that leg back, and then maybe bringing the hands by your sides. Again, you can fold, or there's so many different fun, beautiful variations that you can take from here, maybe going into the more advanced variations, or whatever feels good for you. And that is pigeon pose, okay? Namaste.